So here we are, Suzuka, again in the hypercars. I enjoyed these the other day, so I thought I'd have another go. I'm near the front. I'm 4th on the grid, although I didn't qualify. It's just I'm car number 1. So we'll see. I think we're going to go pretty early, I'd have thought. Instant behind. I think we've probably gone. Yeah, I think so. Now, these are very tricky, I found, certainly in practice. Really slippy, so I don't know what the first lap's going to be like. I don't know how we're going to cope. We've got to get these tyres up to temperature. You can see, look, he's just gone wide.
Clear on the left.
And I've nearly gone off. So yeah, we've just got to get them up to temperature and then we can have some fun, I think. So there's not time on the warm-up lap really to get them anywhere near temperature. I got the brakes up to temperature, but that was it. So lots of changing up early whilst we get up to speed. So we're with this guy ahead anyway. In this corner here, I made a right mess in qualifying, or in practice anyway, just ended up going straight on into the wall because it wouldn't turn.
Car right, go left, clear.
You can see, can't you? It's not just me. I thought it was just me, but everyone's having the problem. So let's get after this leader then. So yeah, I'm really having to tiptoe round at the moment. It does get better. But yeah, early upshifts. It's like people having problems behind, so it'd be nice to catch up with Tom if we can. And I was having to do a big old break here as well. I don't know what it's going to be like once we get going. The guy behind's really close up there, isn't he? Yeah, I was finding the rear was just letting go every opportunity. Anyway, where are we? So we're a long old way behind, aren't we? Let's see if we can do something then. Have to push a bit more. It's feeling a bit better now. Still a little bit loose though. I don't remember these cars being so loose on the rear end. But it is a fixed setup, so there's nothing I can do about it. They don't like the curbs. We learnt that last time.
The car behind has gone off.
I think I should be able to go through there in 5th once we're fully up to speed. These are very fast, these cars, so you do have to brake earlier than maybe you expect. The brakes are very good at high speed, they're not so good at low speed when the aero comes off. You can see I'm having to ease off where I would hope to be flat normally. Just want to swap ends every lap. Okay, 4 seconds behind, so we're not losing so much now. Don't have confidence turning in yet. So what's he doing? A 53. What have we done?
0.29.
Okay, so we're not far off. See if we can push a bit harder then. Nearly lost the rear again. Is 5th okay through there? Yeah. If it's okay through there. Yeah, changing up earlier I think helps. Okay, only 10 minutes to go. Can we catch him? He's going. Is he going quicker? I think he is, isn't he? Okay. It's a shame. Okay, maybe we can go through there a bit quicker. Okay, so we're still not far behind, are we? He's just got a little bit above, a little bit more than us.
Just set the fastest lap. 51.879. The car
far behind, is it?
3. Just set the fastest lap. 50.723.
Blimey. They're going a lot quicker than us. Okay, we're going to have someone to race in a minute then. Gosh, it's like... Yeah, we're about to go at any stage, aren't we?
The car in front has gone off.
Oh dear. Trying too hard. Are we flat out now? Yeah, more or less. Okay, so a bit quicker on the power than us there. How quickly can we get through this next left-hander then? Feels like we had a bit more speed, and he certainly does here.
Car right, still there.
Oh, well done, mate.
Right side, clear.
Oh, he tried to outbrake me and he went off.
You'll have to slow down and give up the time gained.
I had no chance there, did I? He just bloody drove into me. If you're going to try and overtake, then keep it on track. Anyway. See if he tries it again. So clearly I can go around that left-hander a bit quicker.
That looks fine. No damage to report.
That's good. So let's see if we can keep him behind then. So we can go quicker, can't we, around that left-hander, I think? See what he tries this time then. So what do we do this time? Just ease off? Yeah, maybe.
Left side. Keep to the right.
Yeah, we're giving him space.
Still there. Clear.
See if he can
Car on your left.
go around the outside. I don't think he'll be able to.
Keep to the right. Clear on the left. Five minutes to go.
Just feel the rear end sort of trying to step out all the time. Very disconcerting.
You got a slow car on the right. Car on your left. Still
So
there.
where's he gone then?
Clear on the left. Go right. Car on your
Where is he?
Still there. Clear.
He went off, didn't he, I think? Could see him on the grass. Just trying to keep out of his way. Oh, got a battle here, haven't we? So the other guy's gone, hasn't he? I think we've lost him now. So I'm just going to ease off then. Yeah. Okay, so clearly we have plenty more speed around there now. Unfortunately, I've gone off.
You cut that corner and got a slow down penalty.
Oh, how annoying.
Right side. The leader is running 53.448. Clear.
See if we can keep with him then. Push him into a mistake then. By keeping as close as we can.
Car right. Clear on the right.
Yeah, make him push himself a bit. Yeah, you got a better exit than me there. I changed up too early, I guess. We should have better speed through this corner this time.
White flag. Stay smooth.
Okay, this is it then. Can I force him into a mistake? Let's push as hard as we can. Oh, that's annoying. I thought I'd come down to first then, but I hadn't. Oh, I think that's it, isn't it? He's got away.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 3 seconds.
Yeah, I think he's got away. Yeah, it's all gone to pot. I don't know if you can hear my cat in the background meowing at me. Which is not helpful. Finn again. Gosh, very loud. Yeah, I can hear you, Finn. Don't know what he wants. But yeah, good fun, Suzuka. Good race. Need to practice my defence a bit more, I think. But anyway. Third. I'll take a podium. Not too bad. I do like these cars. Very slippy at the start, though. Anyway. We'll have a bit of an incident, shall we? Okay, then. So here's the start. We just sort of got away, and there was a few incidents ahead, weren't there? So let's have a look. So, yeah, somebody going wide there. Oh, someone else going wide. The tyres were really, really slippery at the start. Definitely, yeah. Lots of people going wide. Oh, blimey. Well, nice move. He only just made it, didn't he? Goodness. And this is the guy, yeah. So he couldn't turn, and then I'm trying to turn, and, you know, you're in the way, mate. I don't know what you want me to do. Anyway. And then... yeah, just lost the rear end, unlucky. And what's this going to be? Trying to go too quick. Oh, well. I was going to say trying to go too quick. That wasn't his fault. That was bloody Pinky behind, wasn't it? Blimey. Yeah, bloody hell. Make sure, mate. Gosh, yeah. Interesting. Well, let's look at the results, shall we? Okay, so that was second split out of 2. I managed third place, so best lap for 50.7. I did a 52. I think a bit of clear running. And yeah, I think I'd have been in the mid 51s, but this guy was clearly very quick, Sean, although not so great on the brakes at making overtaking moves. Anyway, yeah, enjoyed that. Good fun. It's a tough track and a tough car, particularly when the tyres are so slippy. But yeah, I'd recommend if you get the chance to drive this car, then certainly do. Anyway, that's another week 13 race out of the way. We'll do some more. If you want to see those, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.